Hi everyone, it is time for me to draw again. I'm going to do Verka, which is interesting. It's going to end up like this. Very cool, right? So it's got this shape that I've never done before, so who knows how I'm going to get on with it, but you know, we're just going to give it a go. And you know, you don't know if you can do it if you don't ever try, right? So it's got this spiral part, which is fine. And then it kind of comes up, and then it goes like that. So I don't know if it's better to come up and then go around and do a spiral, or if it's better to do the spiral from the inside until I get kind of where I want it to be and then go. That I'm not sure. I think that way might be the best. Then I will have the right angle on that. Then the next step is on this kind of straight side, we're going to make these little curves. Almost like feathering, right? Kind of right in there. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. And then once those two are done, then on the inside, it looks like we're going to do sort of like a tweed, where we come over on one side and then the other side and then one side and the other side. Keep going until we kind of run out of space there. And then we just keep kind of doing this around the spiral right there in the end. And then some shading. So I'm just going to give that a go. I'm just going to make one just like they did in the sample here in the middle of my little tile and see what I can come up with. Turn on my light. Zoom in a bit so you guys can see the whole thing. Oh, my tripod moved again. Alright, that looks like it's about right. And get myself a pen. Which one do I want to use? Let's use this one. So I'm going to go around a couple of swirls. I'm going to start here and I'm going to go, I want it down a little bit. Okay. Around and around and like that. Right? Isn't that what it shows? I think I went one too many times around here, but that's okay. And then the easy part. This I can do. Like that. Kind of makes it sort of squarish. I'll do one more. Like that. Okay. And then here also will be similarly shaped. Kind of making it squarish. Like so. And then in here we're going to go to like a tweed. I'm going to come up and go one side and come up and do the other. And one side and the other. Does it travel down the arm? Yes, it does. I should be traveling down this arm more. That's good to know. Okay. So I should be traveling further down this arm as I go. That's pretty much all I can do there, right? And then we'll continue with sort of a coming around this way. It was really cold again last night. Got up this morning, it was only 34 degrees. That's really cold for us. That's 34 Fahrenheit. Oh, I'm not supposed to be going all the way to there. I'm supposed to be going somehow. I don't know. I didn't do this middle part right. But that's alright. I'm just going to keep going because it's what I did. Somehow I was supposed to go not quite all the way to the edge. I didn't pay attention well when I looked at the beginning. That's okay. I just spiraled it right into the middle. So my spiral looks different, but this part looks the same. I feel like I want to put tendrils or something here. Something like that. There we go. I like that better. Okay, so this one is going to be called Verka. V-E-R-K-A. Give it a little bit of shading. A little bit of white pencil because I'm on a colored tile. Somebody asked me what type of pencil I'm using. I'm just using a plain old HB graphite pencil from some random art kit that my son purchased for school. He was required to take an art class. He's not artistic in that way. He has no interest in art, but you know, it was one of those required classes. So he just bought whatever they had at the store he stopped at to get the supplies. I don't even know if he got it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or if he bought it at the student store on campus. I don't really know. Could have been any of those places. If you hear my heater turning on and off, it's because it's cold. I have to have my heater on today. I usually try not to record with it on because it is kind of loud, but it will be going on and off, on and off. Ooh. For some reason, I'm going to sneeze. I feel it coming. Oh, that took... Oh, I am so sorry. I tried to not sneeze at you. I did turn away. But that was no bueno. Okay. And then I want a little bit of shading where these overlap. Do my thing with the smudging. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to use my colored pencil. I'm just using a plain old colored pencil. This particular one happens to be Prismacolor, but actually I think, well, I did buy, I'm almost done with this little pencil. See how stubby it is now. I did buy a new one, Faber Castell, that I haven't tried yet. But I'm looking forward to getting a maybe a charcoal-y pencil, the white charcoal, so that I can actually smudge it better. And I'm just going to put this where I want a highlight. Okay. Something like that. Oops, I missed one. I missed a drip. I like that. Look how pretty that is. That was really pretty, and it didn't take much time at all. So I would probably do this one again. I really like it. I hope you guys have a really great day. This was a simple, easy one for me to get done today. That's awesome, because I have a lot of things to do today. I will see you guys on the next video. Tomorrow, or Wednesday's video is going to be Violet and then Vivid, just so you know what's coming up. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.